Can you tell from the puzzle pieces what this is? Shout out your answers right now. So I always like to look for a corner piece first. Is this a corner piece? Or is that a corner piece? That's right, this is a corner piece. So it's gonna go somewhere, maybe there. It looks like there's sky, so I'm guessing that's up in the air. Let's try to find a piece that has a tree, or green and blue. Do you see a piece with green and blue on it? Can you point to it? That's right, this piece. It's a perfect match. All right, now let's look for a piece with some red and some gray and black on it. Yet this piece, that doesn't quite go. There seems to be a piece that goes in between. Can you find this piece? Is this the piece or is that the piece? Which one goes there? I'll give you a hint, it has an edge. That's right, this is the piece. And now we're all done with the top. All right, let's find some other corner pieces. Can you point to them? There should be 2 left. That's right, this is a corner piece, and that is a corner piece. I think they go there. Yeah, because these are tires, right? All right, let's see if we can find some other tires. Point to 2 pieces that have tires. Is this one? No. What about this? That's right, this piece. Does it go there? No. What about here? Oh, perfect. Oh, and I see another tire over here. Do you know what this is yet? Now we gotta fill in the middle. Let's look for these edge pieces. Does this have an edge? What about this one? That's right, this does. Does it go here? No. What about over here? Oh, perfect. All right, where's this edge piece? We have 3 pieces left. 1, 2, and 3. Point to the edge piece. That's right, it's this one. Do you know what this is yet? Let's do a couple more. Those look like there's some kids on this piece. Let's go here. No. What about here? And that means this is our last piece. And there we go. What is this? That's right, it's a school bus. Do you know what this sign says? That's right, it says stop. Good job, thanks for helping me with this puzzle.